Good morning, friends. In the last online lecture, we seen the experiment number one of the paper one. That was the vernier caliper. Today, we are going to see the next experiment. That is a micrometer screw gauge. Here you can see the diagram is shown there, and it is already your use in the 12. This is a micrometer screw gauge. The aim of the experiment is the use of the micrometer screw gauge to determine the diameter of the wire. Means for the small object, we are using the micrometer screw gauge. What is the pitch of the micrometer screw that we have to see? That is nothing but a d by n. D is nothing but the distance covered by the screw on the main scale for n rotation, and n is nothing but a number of rotations given to the circular scale. You can see here in the diagram that has been shown that screw is there and you are rotating that screw. Main scale is there, and here you can see this main scale is there in this diagram, and circular means we are rotating this thing. Okay, that is called as the pitch scale. That is a pitch. Okay, pitch scale. Here you can see the pitch scale, the distance covered by the screw on the main scale for the end rotations and the number of the rotations given to the circular scale. Apparatus required is the thin wire and the micrometer screw gauge. Now, what is the procedure for this particular? We have to take the screw gauge, which is used for measuring the accurate diameter of the thin wire or the thickness of the sheet of the metal. It consists of the U-shaped frame fitted with a screw spindle which is attached to the thimble. Here you can see in the diagram different that particular things has been shown. Screw is there, U-shaped frame is there, that is attached to the thimble. Okay. Then parallel to the axis of the thimble, a scale graduated in the millimeter is engraved. This is called as the pitch scale. A sleeve is attached to the head of the screw. The head of the screw has a that is a racket, or say you can call it a ratchet, or the spelling of this particular is the RTCHET, racket, which avoids, that is a particularly the undue tightening of the screw. On the thimble there is a circular scale known as the head scale, which is divided into the 50 or the 100 equal parts when the screw is worked. The sleeve moves over the pitch scale. Then a study with a plain end surface called a anvil is fixed on the U-frame exactly opposite to the tip of the screw. When the tip of the screw is in the contact with the anvil, usually the zero of the head scale coincides with the zero of the pitch scale. Means in the diagram you can see over here, in the diagram you can see that particularly pitch scale, this is, and this is the main scale. It will come over to this particular pitch scale. Okay. Then next part is that then we have to calculate the pitch of the screw gauge. The pitch of the screw gauge is the distance moved by the spindle per revolution. To find this, the distance advanced by the head scale or the pitch scale for a definite number of the complete rotation of the screw is determined. Then least count is the distance covered by the screw on the main scale for the rotations, the D, and then the number of the rotations given to the circular scale. 0.1 divided by 100, that is a 0.01 centimeter is the least count. Okay. Then what we are going to do, we are taking the readings. Three different readings we are going to take. Main scale 0.7, 0.1, 0.5. Then circular scale, we have to count the divisions 41, 31, and then 40. Then we can multiply by the least count. Then we will add in this particular thing. Okay, 91, 31, and 40. Then total reading will be the MS plus CS. That is the circular scale and the main scale. You add, you will get the total reading. Then the mean value, you have to take the mean of this thing. Then the final reading will be the TR minus zero error. We have to take the zero error, and then we will get that the final reading. Okay, this is about here 1.464. You can take it in the centimeter. Is the that is about this experiment. Very simple it is. We have to find out the that particular diameter of this compound. Okay, this is about the experiment number 2 of the physics 1. Please note that on the papers.